Today we're finishing up this mini quilt. This is my Strawberry and Skies quilt, and it's just because of all the cute Ava Kate I'm using with it. If you can get your hands on Ava Kate still, you should grab some. Usually doesn't last very long, my fabric line. So we're gonna put this together today. It's basically squaring it up, but if you wanted to make a huge quilt with it, you could of course widen your Bordners. You could also add more to it, or you could do multiples of these in with different colors on the outside, which would be super fun, right? So let's get started with this. I think you're gonna like this one. All right, here are your dimensions. These are my borders. I've got two 12.5 inch by 3 inch pieces. I've got two 3 inch by 16 inch white pieces. So that's gonna be the borders around. And then with your blue pieces, I have a 17.5 inch, I've got two of those, and then two 21 inch by 3 inch. All of these are 3 inch pieces. So this is pretty simple, you guys. All we're gonna do is we're gonna sew these two on either side together, the 12.5 inch pieces, and it should match up on the strawberry. And by the way, the strawberry pattern you should have received last week in last week's Fabric VIP group. If you didn't get it or want it, you can make sure and sign up. It will eventually come back around again. So, and I send out a pattern every week, so you're gonna wanna sign up for that. It's just free. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and sew this together, and then the top two, and then I'll show you the rest. Okay, there's the white border. Isn't it so cute? Okay, so next up, we are going to basically square it up with these blue pieces. You can see it comes really close. You might have to ease the fabric a little bit. So just do that as you're doing it, or you can pin it. So I'm gonna do the sides first, and then I'll do the top and the bottom. Here we go. It's our finished mini. It's like a big mini. You can see it's taking up my entire table. Isn't that so cute though? Okay, if you are looking for more patterns, all you have to do is join my Fabric VIP. Link is in the description or in my profile. So go check that out, or you can go to karinagardner.com and click on VIP and join up for free. And I send patterns every single Thursday. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you soon.